Now guys, this is a solution to the question I wanted to give you guys the previous episode. So in this solution, what we're doing here is that we need to incline a solid. So it's originally parallel to the axis, but now we're going to incline it at 60 degrees. So the first thing to draw is a 60-degree line. Let me pick the point and draw a line 60 degrees to it. So this is 60-degree line. I have this 60-degree line. I will draw the 60-degree line right here. I have the 60-degree line here. So next I will draw a line perpendicular to this 60-degree line. That's for because each of the faces of a plane of a triangle, rather a rectangle, each of the faces, they are actually perpendicular to one another. So the sides, let's just call them sides of the triangle, since it's 2 dimensions. So then I need to draw this perpendicular line here. So obviously then we need to draw, so actually the length of this line, this is the radius. So we have the midpoint up there. So actually I'm taking the dimension that suits me. So you can also take any dimension that suits you. Since you can't measure the screen of your phone, that would be quite silly. So just take any dimensions. That's if you are drawing along with me. So I'm taking these dimensions. Now you can see that this solid is now inclined. This shape, not a solid yet, 2 dimension. Now this shape is now inclined at an angle of 60 degrees in comparison to the original shape in the first episode. So I will just draw a line of 60 degrees here. This shows that this is an angle of 60 degrees. Now the height, I'll just pick any comfortable distance. So it's not about the distance, but it's about the construction this time around. So you need to respect the construction. So I'll take in these lines for the front elevation. So this is the key view now. And I need a line parallel to this. I just use the same height and join them together at the top. This is the height. I also have the sides. So now in this shape, this is actually a hexagonal prism. So I have it like this. So I was supposed to draw the okay, this is the key view. So this is the front elevation. So you have to draw the view on which the rotation is taking place first. So next I will need to project vertical lines to the base. So let's have this system. So then we need to project vertical lines to the base. So these vertical lines will be the source of our plan. So this plan is drawn from the key view. So when we're looking upwards, we have that's visible, but this won't be visible. So this will also be visible, and this will not be visible, and this will be visible. So then these lines that are radiated will form the plan. So this hexagonal prism, I want to radiate lines, horizontal lines. So this first horizontal line will be the starting point of this drawing. Okay, shit. Trying to have a comfortable point. Yeah, so you go. So I'll radiate all these lines to the right for this front elevation. So these lines are radiating to the right. They are going to be the lines that will be used for the end elevation. So let me radiate one first line. This top line for the plan. Now in the original way, this bottom side will also form a plan. So basically we will need to transfer the length of between each of the sides. So I'll need that. So for that I also need to draw a hexagon here below this. This hexagon will be my guide. So I'll start from the circle, then I'll draw a line. This hexagon will be my guide. Draw any line, any diameter. Then I'll divide the circle into 6 equal parts. So this division into 6 equal parts will be will help me out. Now I have this here. I have this here. So I have this here. Now I have this here. I have this here. So this is not the real hexagon we are looking for. So actually I would need a new hexagon. So because this is not the hexagon that touches the circle. So we need to extend each of these lines to touch the circumference at one point. So we're drawing tangents literally on opposite sides. So I only need three of these for the 6 sides. So three of these, three pair of parallel lines for the 6 sides. So the bottom parallel line to the bottom side, the top parallel line to the top side. Yeah, then for this side we have this next one. We have this here, and for this you have this here. So at the end of the day we have this all this. So let's project that and get the original plan. So this was the original plan you saw in the previous episode, and if you've not seen it, you can also check out the previous episode where I talked about this same drawing. So this in that previous episode, the episode before this episode, I showed you guys the original solid which has not been rotated, but this is the rotated solid. So please don't be misguided by this inner hexagon. So don't be misguided by this inner hexagon. All we need is the outer hexagon. So I need to put everything in perspective. So I guess it's visible now. So I'm using this outer hexagon to draw this side. So let's transfer each of these the vertical lengths from the outer hexagon to the let's transfer them to the original drawing. So I only need the vertical line here. I need the vertical line here. Side is right here. Yes, good. So this vertical line, I will just transfer my length. Starting from the apex of this to the midpoint, we have this. Then from the midpoint to the bottom, we also have this. So for the plan, we'll be using those divisions because that is what we are using in the original. Those are what we are using in the original plan. Have this, have this. So this is our plan. So next we need to mark the points. So we have this. This gives us the shape of a plan on its own. So this is actually a hexagon. So but in this case we need to use this hexagon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But we need to use this side instead. So we need to use this side. We need the divisions. We need to use this side instead. So the reason for that is that this side has a line. So now from here, this will be the dividing line. We use this side, this bottom side, for all that. So we need the dividing line. Dividing of this downwards. Downwards. And downwards. So this, I'll draw a line. And this will be the real divisions instead. So I won't use that one because I won't use this one. I'll need a new set of divisions because we have a dividing line. So now for this one, I'll transfer each of these divisions to the right because at this vertical plane we have these two. That is from here to here. From this side to look from the vertical plane. That means from the horizontal to look this way. So I'll need to transfer these lengths to the right side. So transfer this. This is the first length from the first point. So actually the first time it was an error on my part. I was supposed to transfer this from this side, not from the top. So it all lies in your ability to see things in perspective in terms of technical drawing. So you have to be able to see things in perspective. So then let's radiate these lines to the right. So these lines have been radiated to the right. So here we go. So this will be the lines, this will be the intersections for the plan. And so third, the three lines being transferred and the top of the plan. So in this in perspective, we have let's call this 0, 1, 2, and 3. Though they were numbered differently from this in the original plan, but let's use this. So we have this. Let's go here. So we have this. This is basically intuitive because this is how a hexagon looks necessarily. So on this side, then on this other side, we also have a hexagon at the top surface. So we just follow the parts of the top surface. At this center with the new apex, then this side with the next side, this, and then this, then downwards. So basically, we'll just be drawing two hexagons. But in this case, this bottom side will be totally invisible. So you won't see this any line here, but you see the line for the outline here. See the outline here. You will see the outlines for this shape. So let's draw the outer lines. So you also see this side, this connecting side. Then you will be able to see this top side. Though you'll be able to see everything on the top face, but you won't see everything on the bottom face. So let's just draw the top hexagon. Let's just draw the top hexagon. Naturally, this is how it will look. This is the top hexagon. Everything is in outlines. Everything is drawn in visible lines. But once this hexagon is intersected by the other one, you won't be able to see the other. So this new hexagon, this will be hidden lines. It is below the top hexagon. This will also be hidden. It's below. Then this will also be hidden. It's also below the top hexagon. So then we also draw this side. You can see from the top this other end. Then the rest is hidden detail. The rest is hidden detail. So basically, this is how it looks. This is how the plan will look. The plan will look like just the way it is in the original. So then we need to draw the end elevation. So I'll just draw a vertical line from where we start. So I want to start from here. So I'll start from here. So I'll now draw a line, a 45-degree line to this vertical line. So that would give us. So I will draw from this point, from the top of this. So from there, I'll begin to project my lines upwards. These upward lines will be corresponds to the lines projected from the plan. They are vertical lines projected from the plan. So we have these sides, getting this, getting this. These are all the vertical regions from the plant. They will intersect the horizontal regions from the plant. So in this case, we have this top face intersecting its top face here. So we'll have it in this shape. These are the top shape looks. So everything is a hexagon because this is a hexagonal shape. So we also have the bottom face looking like this, but some parts are hidden. So it is just looking like the plan. Then we'll draw the basic sides, the outline. So all the outlines will be visible. We have this. These are the outlines. These are the extreme points. They make up the outlines. But the internal points, some of them are not visible. So depends. So now this internal point, now we have this as the top hexagon. So all the points that make up that will be visible. So I have everything visible. So we also have this side. This is an edge of the shape, but we won't see it completely. We'll only see from this to this point. We'll see the edge from here to here. Then we can also see this side, the basic side of the so but apart from that, we won't be able to see this side here. This will be hidden from the view. We'll be able to see this, but we won't be able to see this. And it looks like I've made a mistake because this is actually viewed from here, so we can't see this point here. So this will be is viewed from the left. So in front, in the first angle elevation, anytime you are drawing, you are viewing from the left, your object will be seen at the right. When you are viewing from the right, your object will be seen at the left. So in this case, you shouldn't make a mistake like this one. So always know that when it's at the right, it's viewed from the left. So basically, this is the front elevation. This is the planner. This is the end elevation of this shape. Thanks for watching.